Alright, let's start. What's up? We're the McGintys.
The McGintys.
Yeah. I just said that.
This week, or today, we're listening to the Amity Affliction Midnight Train, which came out like 3 days ago.
Ooh.
Ooh la la. Fuck off.
There ain't no hope in a homeless heart. I've gotta find my way back home.
So far I'm impressed because I haven't mentioned the ocean yet.
No, wait, that's the next one. The title is Wade in the Water.
Okay.
I like the lyrics so far.
Hope in a homeless heart. I've gotta find a way to home. All the roads I take lead to places that meant everything to us.
When he says places that meant everything to us, he's talking about the ocean. Yeah,
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so it comes... It just
It comes.
goes full circle.
Ain't no hope
You're only gonna get that joke if you listen to this band.
in a homeless heart. And so we go.
I like that.
How can this be real as we both run to the midnight train and we both say, oh, 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 are we really here? And we both say, oh,
What do you think so far?
I dig it.
I love it. I
It's got
love it.
more of a poppy feel than...
Yeah, than like some of the older stuff.
Yeah.
But I love Amity Affliction. I really
I
do.
like it.
I like it a lot. Okay.
and we both say, there ain't no hope in a homeless heart, and so you gave my heart a home. There ain't no hope in a homeless heart, say you won't leave me here alone. All the roads I take lead to places that meant everything to us. There ain't no hope in a homeless heart, and so we go. How could this be real as we both run to the midnight train and we both say, oh, 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 are we really here? And we both say,
I'm not gonna lie though, I'm kind of a sucker for like rock music that has a poppy feel.
Like the clean vocals and then the screaming and then back to the clean vocals.
Yeah, post-hardcore, some might call it.
Yeah, but I mean, they do what they do as far as they have a catchy verse and a catchy
That's what I
chorus,
like, is
and then they go
catchy.
back to the catchy verse.
Yeah.
Oh shit, my bad.
Wow.
Was that all you had to say?
I don't know, I guess. Fuck it.
and we both say, there ain't no hope in a homeless heart. There ain't no hope in a homeless heart.
Repeat stuff.
That's what makes it catchy. You can sing along to it.
And so we go.
Bet you any second they're gonna go whoa, whoa.
Let's be real as we both run to the midnight train and we both say, are we really here? And we both say, and we both say, there ain't no hope in a homeless heart.
Is that part of the chorus or is that
No,
like...
that's what they do.
No hope in a homeless heart.
Like,
Is that it? Oh.
oh shit. fuck it. That's what they do, Cameron. That is
I
what
liked
they do.
it, but again, the repetitiveness kind of.
I mean, well, that's all of their music, really, though.
I wouldn't say all of it.
Well, the
but
newer stuff is very, like,
repetitive.
8 lines long.
Oh.
But I mean, I still love
I mean,
them.
don't get me wrong. Repetitiveness is often a tool used
To bring people
to
in. Put it in your head.
Well, not only that, but also to convey the message. You know, like
Right.
you repeat something, it becomes vibrant. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I see what you're saying.
It's a common theme in poetry as well.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
wait, should we have like a McGinty scale? I rate this 2 McGintys out of 10, or...
That's probably the dumbest idea you've ever had.
And what we can do is...
That's a 1 out of 10 McGinty idea.
Listen. I just thought of the best thing ever. We'll have 1 out of 10 McGintys on the bottom, right?
Uh-huh.
And like one McGinty will be like my face because I was the first McGinty, and then you'll be the second, and then it'll just go back and forth with our faces.
I don't think you're thinking right.
1 McGinty?
I get it. Okay. This song was 9 out of 10 McGinty's for me.
9 out of 10?
Okay, maybe like 7.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I was gonna say 7 or 8. Because, I mean, I'll listen to it again.
Yeah.
I'd say a 7. I'd say a 7.
I'm probably gonna add it to my playlist, but
Okay.
purely for the
I'll give it a 7, and that's a low 7. Just because
Just make it a 6.
I can't, because it's not a 6.
If you'd like to make a donation, subscribe to my OnlyFans.
In the arms of an angel, fly away.
End the fucking thing.
Oh.